A customer has a communication server, CS, RLS, system equipped with System Errors and Events Lookup package, which provides the ability to display system messages on screen. When a system message is received, which procedure should they use to look it up and display it on the screen? Option A. Enter the system message followed by for example, 4080. Option B. Enter the system error code followed by for example, bug 4080. Option C. Enter ER followed by the system error code and for example, bug 4080. Option D. Enter ER followed by the system error code and for example, load bug 4080. The correct answer is option B. A customer has a communication server, CS, RLS, system equipped with System Errors and Events Lookup package, which provides the ability to display system messages on screen. Which setting should the multi-user login feature be set to for the system lookup message feature to work? Option A. On. Option B. Off. Option C. Loaded. Option D. Enabled. The correct answer is option A. A customer has a communication server, CS, RLS, system. When adding a digital telephone in LD, what four fields comprise the terminal number, TN, for this type of system? Option A. CO, DID, FX, RAN. Option B. Loop, shelf, card, unit. Option C. Power, memory, CPU, UData. Option D. Tone, transmitter, detector, card. The correct answer is option B. A customer has deployed a communications server, CS, RLS, system at their site. You have been asked to add 10 new IP telephones for sales department personnel. Which overlay, LD, is used to build a virtual superloop for IP telephones? Option A. LD14. Option B. LD15. Option C. LD97. Option D. LD117. The correct answer is option C.